Welcome to another episode of Math Algorithms. Now, in this episode, we're going to discuss about factorials of a number. We're going to understand what is factorials of a number and how to work out factorials of a number in algorithms. In mathematics, the factorials of a number of a negative integer, let us say the integer is n, denoted as n, is the product of all the positive integers less than or equals to the number or the n value. For instance, the factorial of 0 is 1. Now, we're not going to go in depth about the factorials of 0, but let us look another example of factorial of n value, which is 4. The factorial of 4 is going to give you a 4, 3, 2, 1. So when you do this, when you do the math, it's going to give you a 24. So the factorial of 4 is supposed to be 24. Whereas the factorial of a value, which is the value that we're going to give it as 5, is going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the factorial of 5 is going to give you a 24. With that said, let us jump into our example.